guys, welcome back. I'm Vikas from Vikas Marwah Salon, Mumbai, and today I'm gonna share with you some interesting hair care tips on how to make your hair smell good. Here we go. Tip number 1. Wash your hair regularly, especially if you have oily scalp. Dirt, pollution, natural oil produced from the scalp can make your hair feel really bad. So it is advisable to wash your hair regularly if you have oily scalp.
The second tip I have for you guys is use a hair perfume. Yes, there are special fragrances formulated just for your hair strands.
Next suggestion I have for you guys is use a leave-in conditioner, serums or hair cream. This will not just eliminate the bad smell from your hair, but it will also nourish your hair throughout the day. Number 4. Use a dry shampoo. A dry shampoo can be used to soak up natural oil produced from the scalp. Simply spray a little bit of dry shampoo on your roots, massage it with your fingers and wait for a while. Last tip for this video is, guys, keep your brushes and tools clean. Yes, you've been using the same old brushes over a period of time to untangle your hair, to remove the knots from your hair. They can build up a strong residue on the bristle of your brush. So it is always advisable to keep your brushes and your tools clean. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching me. I hope you like this video. I hope your hair smells good. You can keep following me and I'll come out with more videos for you soon.